All right, guys. Well, unfortunately, the Fusion is done. It's been a really good car so far. Made it to 237,638.4 miles. I loved the pretty much all the features about it. It's been a great car. Really enjoyed driving it, but unfortunately, the raccoons that I had taken out previously caught up to me. Apparently one of the transmission lines had actually gotten damaged and was leaking fluid, and the car decided to go from perfectly fine to transmission blew up. So I'm not going to get into too much detail here, but I bought the car with 91,000 miles on it, and if my math is correct, almost 150,000 miles I got out of it. It's been a great car for work. Unfortunately, the transmissions are horribly expensive on these cars, and due to that, the vehicle just was not worth it to repair. And yeah, so unfortunately this car is done. So there will be a new car coming to the channel in the not too distant future. I don't know what it's going to be yet, but well, like I said, it's a sad day. Got to say goodbye to the Fusion. She unfortunately is a total loss at this point. It's sad too because it's still a beautiful car. I think it had a lot of life in it. Engine ran strong, transmission just didn't have it in it. It's too expensive to fix. Just got new tires last year, which kind of sucks, but I gotta say, I definitely did love this car. It was a great drive, very, very comfortable. Probably one of the best cars I have ever owned, and she still looks like a brand new car. So I'm definitely gonna miss it. Don't know if I'm gonna replace it or not, but it is what it is. So the last lock, and that's it. Gonna miss you, buddy. Rest in peace. Hope somebody can actually fix you up. All right, and for all you dedicated fans out there that stuck with this video since it was so short, I just wanted to take a moment to let you guys know that when, as they say, when one door closes, another one opens. And my fiance and I had an opportunity that fell in our lap here that we couldn't pass up. So our timetable moved up drastically on getting my duplex sold and finding a new place. As you guys can see, I am in my new place. We're still in the process of moving. I'm still in the process of getting my duplex ready for sale. Not the order that we really intended, I think. This all happened too quickly, but an opportunity arose that we didn't want to pass up on. And I'll give you a quick little teaser here of one of my favorite reasons why we decided to get this place. Now, don't mind the mess. This is for all you guys that are dedicated fans here, but just a real quick little bit of a teaser what we got going on here. And I can't really see anything, but we have, I don't want to give away too much here, a really nice two-car garage, which, as you guys know, has been something that I've wanted for a really long time. And it's going to be hard to show you, but I'm going to see if I can flip the camera around while I record. I cannot. Okay. So I'm going to do it this way. There's my Jeep. There is my driveway. So gonna have plenty of time and plenty of room to have a lot of fun with all this. So not only is there going to be a new Fusion coming to the channel, well, not a new Fusion, a new car to replace the Fusion, because I won't rule out a new Fusion, but at this point, probably not. But anyways, that is my little secret. So I apologize I haven't got videos done that you guys want to see. But, and again, don't mind the mess because we're still moving. But just wanted to give you guys that stuck with this video a little teaser where things are at in my life. That's why I haven't done any live videos. This all happened so quickly, and we just moved. We've just moved. We're in the process of getting my house for sale, and hopefully in the next week, maybe 2 weeks, we're gonna be done with that, and then it's going to be videos, because I got a lot to catch up on, and I appreciate you guys sticking with me through all this, because of course this has just been chaos, and every time I say, hey, I'm going to make videos, something comes up. So anyways, I appreciate you guys a lot, and we'll see you in the next video as soon as I can get it out to you. So like, comment, subscribe, and we'll talk to you then.